In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your YouTube TV home location, which is essential for accessing local channels and ensuring compliance with the service's terms. Your home location determines the local broadcast channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, and FOX, and regional sports networks available to you, as well as where you can stream without restrictions. To set or update your home location, start by logging into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Location section. Here you'll see an option to update your home address or zip code. Enter the correct ZIP code for your primary residence and save the changes. YouTube TV will verify your location using your IP address to ensure accuracy. It's important to note that your home location must match the physical address where you primarily use the service. If you frequently travel, you can still stream outside your home location, but some features, like offline downloads, may be restricted. Additionally, if you move to a new home permanently, make sure to update your home location to continue receiving the correct local channels. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to set your YouTube TV home location, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.